Welcome to TSS Automotive, your trusted source for in-depth car reviews, tech breakdowns, and everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated comebacks in the automotive world of the 2025 Mitsubishi Lancer. Known for its rally heritage and bold street presence, the Lancer has long been a fan favorite. After years of silence, Mitsubishi has revived the nameplate, and this time, it's coming back with a fresh blend of performance, design, and next-gen technology. Let's take a closer look at what the 2025 model brings to the table. The new Mitsubishi Lancer features a completely reimagined design language. It still carries the sharp, aggressive stance that made it famous, but everything from the body lines to the grille has been modernized. The front fascia boasts Mitsubishi's dynamic shield design with sleek LED headlights and a bold grille that hints at performance beneath the hood. Aerodynamics have clearly been a priority. Air vents, sculpted panels, and a sloping roofline give it a sporty yet sophisticated appeal. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the classic Lancer Evolution or new to the brand, this new model stands out. Under the hood, the 2025 Lancer is available with multiple engine options to appeal to both casual drivers and enthusiasts. The base trim starts with a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that balances efficiency and performance. For those seeking more punch, Mitsubishi offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged variant pushing around 280 horsepower, coupled with an advanced all-wheel drive system. Mitsubishi hasn't confirmed an Evo version yet, but the high-performance trim suggests the spirit of the Evolution series is still alive. The Lancer also comes with a continuously variable transmission or a 6-speed manual for those who want more control and a traditional driving experience. Inside, the 2025 Lancer gets a complete tech overhaul. The cabin is driver-focused, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Premium materials wrap the seats, dash, and door panels, giving the interior a modern, upscale feel. Comfort hasn't taken a backseat either. Dual-zone climate control, heated seats, and advanced sound insulation make this Lancer just as suitable for daily commuting as it is for weekend drives. Mitsubishi has also packed in advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system, offering peace of mind on every drive. From a driving dynamics perspective, Mitsubishi has worked hard to strike the right balance between comfort and agility. The suspension is tuned for both city and spirited driving, while the all-wheel drive system provides impressive traction and cornering stability. Steering response is sharp, and the brake system has been upgraded for better control and performance. Whether you're on a winding mountain road or navigating through urban traffic, the 2025 Lancer delivers a confident and engaging experience. Mitsubishi has also announced that the new Lancer will come with a wide range of customization options: wheels, trim packages, and even performance kits designed for enthusiasts who want to take their vehicle to the next level. Pricing is expected to start around $26,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $38,000, depending on configurations and added features. For what it offers, the Lancer is positioning itself as a strong contender in the compact sports sedan segment. Thanks for watching this detailed look at the 2025 Mitsubishi Lancer here on TSS Automotive. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future video. We've got more detailed reviews and first looks coming soon. Let us know in the comments, does this new Lancer live up to its legendary name?